Hi guys, it's Lucas from Teenage Chef, and today I'm going to show you beautiful chocolate brownies. So first, in a medium-sized bowl, you just want to put 250 grams of sugar, 110 grams of melted butter, and a tablespoon of some vegetable oil. Then just whisk that up for around a minute. So now we're going to crack 2 eggs, large eggs, into here. And then also 2 teaspoons of some vanilla essence or extract. Give that another whisk for around a minute. So now we're going to sieve in 110 grams of flour, all-purpose, and 110 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. Also a pinch of salt. Then just fold that in so you can leave the air. So now just pour that lovely mix into an 8" by 8" tin. Like that. Now this is optional, but I'm just going to get a handful of some chocolate chips and just sprinkle them on top. And now that goes in the oven at 175 degrees, it's around gas mark 3-4 for 20 to 25 minutes. So now it's came out of the oven for around 20 minutes, just to let it cool down. That's very important, by the way, so it holds its shape. Now we're going to cut it into 16 equal pieces.